everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and this is Next Up is Lisa. I am here to do another HelloFresh meal. This week one of the meals that I ordered is the blackened chicken penne that is supposed to look like this. It says that the prep time is 10 minutes, the total cook time is 25 minutes. So if you are interested in seeing how this comes out, stay tuned. Okay everybody, this is the blackened chicken penne pasta. Okay, everybody, we have poblano peppers, scallions, garlic, Roma tomatoes, chicken breast, blackening spice, penne pasta, cream cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, chicken stock concentrate, and hot sauce. Okay, everybody, I have finished cutting up all of the vegetables. I have the chicken with the blackened seasoning and salt sitting here waiting to be cooked in the pan. I have my green onions that are chopped, 2 poblano peppers, tomatoes, and sliced garlic. The pasta is already on the stove cooking, so I'm going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil into the pan and start cooking the chicken and the veggies. I'll be back soon. So in this pan, I'm heating up about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and it's on medium heat. I'm adding the poblano pepper with a pinch of salt. The directions actually say cook it without stirring it, and as you can see, I messed up there, but I went ahead and did let them char a little bit, and now I'm adding the chicken, and I'm going to cook that until it's done. They say 4 to 6 minutes. As you can see, these are like chicken strips. Um, I would have actually preferred for them to have been smaller chunks or cubed or just smaller pieces. It was really kind of awkward to eat that along with the penne pasta. Just an aesthetic of mine in trying to eat things that are similar size. But anyway, I continued to cook. I added the scallion whites to this and I cooked it until fragrant as the instructions told me to. And then I also added the garlic and half of the tomato, and you'll see me adding the tomato here. So then that's what we're doing, and we're going to reduce the heat under the pan to medium low. Here I am stirring in all of the cream cheese and a third a cup of the reserved pasta cooking water. I actually forgot to reserve it, so I just used some water out of my sink. And so I'm stirring all of that until the cream cheese actually melts into the sauce. And it should take, not maybe 15, 20 seconds to do that. So I'm just stirring it so that it can melt and be mixed into the sauce easily. Here I'm adding the penne and I'm going to cook that into the sauce and really just mixing it in. And once I mix it in really well, I'm going to turn the heat off. That's what I'm doing there. And then once I turn the heat off, I'm going to add the Monterey Jack cheese. And there were 2 packs of Monterey Jack cheese for the size of family that I selected, which is 4 for this round of HelloFresh meals. So I get to add both packs of the Monterey Jack cheese as well as the 2 packs of stock concentrate. You'll see that coming up in just a second. Now here I'm going to add the butter. For the 4 servings that I have, it's 3 tablespoons of butter and as much hot sauce as you like. We actually added our hot sauce to the top of it, so that to the top of the meal once it was finished. And it says to stir and season with salt and pepper and serve. And that's what we did here. You'll see that I am plating it up for the family, and it looks good, and things are looking really well right now. As you can see, it's actually pretty cheesy. You can see the cheese hanging off of spoon that I'm using, or actually the ladle that I'm using. I even have to pick it up and put it back in. In all honesty, this was my least favorite meal from HelloFresh. It did not have the seasoning that I'm used to in the HelloFresh meals, and I was very disappointed. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and joining me once again. I wish everyone would hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I post videos, and I will see you in the next one.